unusual home remedies that actually work. More and more people are turning to home remedies rather than using pharmaceutical medications that may contain harmful ingredients and synthetic chemicals. Some of these remedies might seem very strange to you, especially if you're used to popping a pill for every ailment, but people have been using them for decades. In some cases, centuries to great effect. Before you laugh at these home remedies and call us crazy for using them, try them out for yourself. You'll quickly discover that they really work. Here's a list of our favorite unusual remedies and how to use them. 1. Hydrogen peroxide for ear infections. Ear infections are painful and disruptive, but hydrogen peroxide can help clear up the infection. Lay on your side and pour a capful of hydrogen peroxide into your ear. Let it sit and bubble in your ear for 5 to 10 minutes. It feels strange, and you'll hear popping sounds. The popping you hear is the peroxide softening the wax and killing bacteria in your ear. Place a tissue on your ear and let the hydrogen peroxide drain out. Earwax will easily come out with a Q-tip. You can use this remedy just to clear out your extra earwax, but the hydrogen peroxide works quickly to remove any bacteria or stop a virus from growing. Vodka for foot odor. No one likes stinky feet. It's embarrassing. Vodka can take care of the odor, or at least heal the embarrassment from the odor. Vodka contains enough alcohol to contain antiseptic properties. Using vodka creates an environment that bacteria want to avoid. Vodka will destroy fungus and bacteria living on your feet. All you have to do is soak a washcloth in vodka and rub it on them. It'll take away the odor rather quickly. Baking soda for urinary tract infections. Olives or lemons for motion sickness. Motion sickness, or any nausea, leads to the extra production of saliva, which makes you feel even more nauseous. If you notice motion sickness, eat a few olives. It works because the tannins in the olives stop nausea by drying out your mouth. Lemons are a quick fix for motion sickness as well. Garlic for allergies. Garlic is one of those things every home remedist knows is a godsend. Instead of using OTC antihistamine medication, you can use garlic to eat and cure up allergy problems. It works because garlic contains a lot of the antioxidant quercetin, which is said to reduce allergy symptoms. Onions work as well. Duct tape for warts. Wrapping warts in duct tape is one of the best ways to get rid of them. Make sure you clean the area well and put a slightly bigger piece of duct tape over the wart. Remove the tape every 3 days. Remove any dead skin with a nail file or pumice stone. Keep repeating this procedure until the warts are gone. Vinegar for swimmer's ear. Ear problems can ruin your day because the pain radiates into your jaw and throughout your entire head. You will want to get rid of swimmer's ear quickly. An old home remedy for swimmer's ear is to put a drop or 2 of vinegar into your ear. Grandma will swear to you that this remedy works because the acidic properties inside of vinegar can kill off the bacteria inside your ear. To use this remedy, you need to dilute white vinegar in distilled water. Then, add 3 drops into the ear, giving you problems 3 times per day. Pine syrup for sore throats. Making pine syrup is easy, and it works wonders for sore throats. All you need to do is gather up a cup of freshly washed pine needles and blend them. While you're doing that, boil some water, corn syrup, and a bit of salt. Mix in the needles and let them steep for a few hours. Make sure to keep it in the fridge for at least a month. Then, you will have it when you need it. Toothpaste for bug bites. Bug bites are itchy and annoying. One simple home remedy is to put a small amount of toothpaste onto the bug bite. Toothpaste has a cooling effect because of the peppermint oil that lessens the pain and inflammation. You can also try applying peppermint oil to the bug bite if you don't want to use toothpaste. Unusual home remedies are fun, especially because you're used to pharmaceutical medications. These remedies might seem strange, but they work really well. Subscribe, follow, like, share. Do what you got to do. You don't want to miss any more videos like this. Comment below on any home remedies you know that work well.